Yo, what is up, guys? Vicious Laughter here. Today we're going to be showing you guys how to use a counterfeit money detector pen. Now this is for US currency, and I will leave a link to where you can get these counterfeit detector pens on Amazon. They're pretty cheap, just a few bucks, and we're going to show you how they work. So how these work is they actually react with the paper that the bill is made out of to tell you whether it is authentic or not. So when you open this marker up and you swipe it on the bill, it's going to go on a goldish color, and you really want it to stay that goldish color that it goes on when you put it on. And this works the same across all bills, all US currency, just like so, as you see. Now, here's what's going to show if if you got a fake bill, it's just printed on computer paper or something. It's going to go on goldish and it's going to turn a dark brown or a blackish color. As you can see there, gold to brown black, gold to brownish black. So you want it to stay a goldish color and not the brown color. Now this just tells you that the paper is real. It doesn't necessarily tell you that the bill is real, because sometimes people will take a lower denomination bill and bleach off the face of the bill, and then they'll print a higher denomination on top of it. So this only tells you that the paper is real. Now, if you want to see how to tell if certain denominations are real, I have other videos on those. You can check the description and the comments below for links to those certain videos. But that's it for this video, guys. I'll catch you next time. Please hit the like button. It helps me out so much. We're trying to get the channel to 2,000 subscribers. And yeah, please hit the like button if it helped you out. It helps me out so much. And I will see you guys next time. Peace out.